ulam namin ni Jarrell. Tingnan nyo guys, palaya and hindi ko alam kung anong luto to. Yes, so yummy. Chamba lang yan, ito hindi. Ang palaya with egg, yan parang adobo siya na may sili flakes. Sili flakes, grabe. Yan everyone, we're all on for today, November 18, 9 a.m. in the morning. Char. Bye.